Hello, welcome to this course. My name is Paul CK, known as Paul Chukwukere. I'm an affiliate marketer, a digital marketer, and also an online publisher. In this course, I'm going to share with you my secret, my Clickbank affiliate success secret, on how you too can start making money from Clickbank without a website and without having a blog. So you don't need to host domain registration, buying hosting, website setup. No, you don't need all those things. I'm going to give you the necessary tools and tricks, and also the information on how you can start promoting Clickbank products immediately without having a website or without having a blog. And I will also share with you my success affiliate marketing traffic, free traffic systems you can use to promote your Clickbank products. These are proven and tested traffic you can start making use of. These traffics are not really a lot of marketers are not using this free hidden traffic. So I'm going to share them with you, and I will also give you all the necessary information you need to start making money promoting Clickbank products without a website and without a blog. Welcome once again. Take your time to go through each of those lectures. Alright? So I will see you in the next video. Thank you.